Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, I hear it. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Hey guys, so you're gonna see us do some grooming on a couple macaws today, and I just want to go over a couple really important aspects about it. If you have never done a groom on a macaw, like beak trims and nail trims, don't do it yourself until you've had an experienced professional teach you what to look for. The nails are very similar to dog nails and cat nails, where they do have a quick. The difference is parrots are small and they bleed heavily. If you quick a parrot's nails and you don't take care of it and stop the bleeding, they can actually bleed to death. As far as beaks go, it's really important to do this properly because beaks also have a quick in a way. They have a blood vein that goes all the way through the center of their beak, and if you hit that again, they can bleed out and it is painful. Beaks are very sensitive. This is serious stuff, and if you don't know what you're doing, don't just wing it. Don't just watch a YouTube video, but this is really for educational purposes. Enjoy the video.
All right. Hello, Mr. Snappy. I know from here. Hi. There you go. See, you're fine. So we got some macaws, and right now we're gonna work on the nail trim as well as the beak trim. And it's really important to know that the nails, just like dogs and cats, they have a quick, and the beak right down the center has a blood vein. You can quick them, you can hit that blood vein, so doing it properly and correctly is going to be extremely important, because birds will bleed out if it's not controlled, if the bleeding's not controlled. So we have this beautiful macaw right here, and so what we're going to want to do is we want to control the flying. And with macaws, unlike budgies, you can use fingernail clippers like you would for humans. You're going to want to use like a cat or dog clipper for these nails because they are thick, and you can actually grind just like you do. I got you. You're good. You're good. You're good. There you go. There we go. So we have this. We're going to put the towel over him to control his wings. So what I want to do is I'm going to do his beak first. So with the beak, his upper mandible and lower mandible, where his lower jaw or mandible is, you're going to see how it hits his ridge, right? So the ridge is going to be where the center of his bottom beak or his bottom mandible hits the inside of his top. That's going to be where the keratin decides to start growing out, and that can change based on where the pressure is. And it's extremely important that these beaks are trimmed properly, because if not, it destroys the pressure per square inch in order for them to manipulate and crack nuts and other food items, right? So in order to do this, you want to start at the back of the beak on the sides and work your way forward, so that way we can keep that shape. Isn't that right, buddy? So right here to right here is kind of where we want. So I still have a little bit more to go. All right, nail time. just like dog cats, when you're using grinder, you can actually see the little eyeball right there that is his quick. You see that? Stop if you're gonna grind. Alright, that claw is done. That claw is done. You ready for your next one? Alright. I think they're good. I think they're good. Come here. Come here. Up, up. Up, up. There you go. There you go. Hi. Hi. Peekaboo. 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 I hear it. Peekaboo. 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 You're fine. Up, up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good. Good. Step up. Good. Good boy. Nice. There we go. Alright. Again, same thing applies. Unfortunately, we got bit a little bit. It happens. You can wear safety gloves and things like that. He doesn't want to hurt us. He just doesn't like what's going on